Hey guys, now that football season is over and the Eagles have won, you might find yourself having some extra time on your hands on these cold, damp winter days. So why not take some time to organize the cabinets, drawers, and closets in your house? I know it's such a boring and mundane task, but it's something you can also get the kids involved. A couple weeks ago, I had my kids go through our kitchen cabinets, and they threw out tons of old stuff that we had collected. They also went through the pantry and threw out food items that had expired. So get everybody involved, take one drawer or closet a day, and just get rid of that stuff that you don't need in your house. But don't forget, when you're organizing, you don't have to spend a fortune to keep yourself together. These are cubes that I found at IKEA, of all places. It was super cool. You get a set of 6 of them. They have little zippers inside that make the boxes all nice and firm. And you can use these in a nice deep drawer to organize all sorts of things. So here, I'm going to use them to organize all this beauty stuff. Hairbrushes and products and hair dryers. So, I mean, I'm sure you've got caps sitting around your house that you don't even have products to like I do. So clean out all this stuff, get your organizers, place them in the drawer, and you'll see you'll be able to keep all of your big containers together, you'll be able to keep your little things together, and it'll make life so much easier. And for me, I just feel calmer when the chaos is reduced. But keep in mind, you don't have to spend money on organizers. You can also take cardboard boxes, and you'll see in the next shot that I just used cardboard boxes in our office supply drawer. And it was enough to keep all of the papers, pens, ink cartridges, and everything neat and orderly so everybody can see what's on hand. So take some time, get the kids involved, and get your house organized.